I get asked this question quite often, is people know that I'm a white toner guy. I've been a white toner guy for a long time, but I've also been DTF probably just as long or a little bit shorter, but I love them both. There are plenty of differences between both the white toner and the DTF machine. You can hear my DTF machine going on in the background because I'm getting ready to do some prints. There's less maintenance with the white toner, obviously. I mean, unless my cartridge is going down, just pop a new cartridge in there. But I don't have to monitor my white toner. I don't have to come back and make sure that anything is clogged. I can leave it for weeks. Sometimes I can leave it for months, which I have. Plenty of times I can come back on and fire it up. It's good to go. You can't do that with a DTF machine. There's a lot of maintenance, a lot of care that's involved with a DTF machine, especially these industrial printers. Although you can clog the smaller ones too. I'm speaking from the industrial printer side, is that you're spending a lot of money on getting a big industrial printer like a DTF machine, right? So the last thing you want to do is have anything go wrong. There's a lot of maintenance with that. Option-wise, you can't do as many things on the DTF machine that you can do on the white toner. Kind of vice versa. The DTF, to me, in my personal opinion, stands out. It's a lot better of a transfer than the white toner is. I think the washability is better. I think just the feel sometimes is a lot better. And you can put it on quite a few things you can't put white toner stuff on. Now, the white toner stuff, you can do your laser tattoos. You can do, what do they have? They have, you can do hot stamping. You can do laser dark. You can do flex soft, metallics. There's a lot of stuff you can do. You can even sublimate on the white toner. You can't do that on a DTF machine. So don't discount the white toner at all. Again, I'm not knocking the white toner and saying that it's anything less than the DTF machine, because it's not by any means. If you know how to properly use the white toner, that's the rasterization process. There's a lot of stuff you can do on there. A lot of the halftone stuff, although you can do it on the DTF too. But the white toner, again, I think where that wins is the fact that there's that less maintenance, right? And so if you're just starting out, I highly recommend do not get into a big old industrial printer like the ones that I have. Maybe look at a white toner, because there are a lot of great things you can still do with that. Anyway, I hope that answers that question. And I'm getting ready to use both of them, to be honest with you. I'm getting ready to do some laser tattoos right now on the white toner and some transfers on my DTF machine. Bam, there you go. Have a good one.